Hello everyone, Mr. Femi is here, your ICT teacher. Today we are going to look at programming steps, and let's quickly look at what we are going to learn. Our topic today, we are going to define programming steps, we are going to state reasons why we need programming steps, and we are going to state programming steps and write simple program using programming steps. Alright, what is our essential question for today? Why are we learning programming steps? Alright, can you explain that? Alright, don't worry, I will help with that. Alright, the reason why we are learning programming steps is because some of us will one day become a computer programmer in future, and the world is in need of many programmers. And thirdly, to understand the effort a programmer puts in writing program for the computers, and we can use it for learning purpose. Alright, now the computers think the way we do is a question. Alright, let me give you answer to that. Alright, this is how human beings think. Can you look at the board, please? Alright, you will see that if you are given 5 plus 10, which the answer is 15, we use our brain to calculate it. Alright, but look at the down of the of the board. We have how computer work on instruction, the same instruction human being work with, and when the computer work on the same instruction, it must follow it orderly, step by step. Alright, that is why you see from step 1 to step 5. Okay, now what do we now mean by programming steps? We can say programming steps are step-by-step method a programmer follows to write a computer program. I repeat that again. Programming steps are step-by-step method a programmer follows to write a computer program. This is very simple. It's like your teacher give you a simple mathematics, maybe to multiply 2 by 2. You can use additional method to do that, and the teacher asks you to provide step-by-step way of solving the problem. That's the same way a computer programmer write a step-by-step instruction for the computer. Alright, now let's look at something which is state programming steps. Now the following are the programming steps a programmer follow before he can write instruction for the computer. 1. Problem definition. Can we say that together? Alright. 2. Problem analysis. 3. Program design. 4. Program coding. And 5. Program testing. Alright. Now, what do we mean by problem definition? Problem definition is where a computer programmer identify the problem. Like for example, the problem may be you want to add two numbers, 2 plus 3, which the answer is 5. Alright. Now in number 2, problem analysis. This is where a programmer think of how to solve the problem in number 1. Alright. Now number 3, program design. This is where a programmer do a rough sketch on a sheet of paper in order to know how he can apply a solution to the problem at hand. Alright. Then the third one, the fourth one is program coding. This is where a programmer use programming language like BASIC, Pascal, COBOL, Java to write instruction for the computer. Alright, the last one is program testing. After writing the program, a programmer needs to test the program to know whether it will work or not. Alright, now remember I said we are going to write a simple program. Alright, look at the board. Can you see a simple program on the board? Now, this is how a computer works on instruction. Now remember, who think for the computer? We do. Human beings think for the computer because computer is a machine. Alright, now this simple program is used to calculate two numbers. Now there's what we call keyword in programming language. Where you say let is called keyword, or we can call it action word. So that is what we use to assign value in programming language. Alright, so if you look at the step, we have from step 1 to 5, which a computer must follow before the computer can give you the answer as 15. Now, if you look at step 1, let A equal to 5. Step 2, let B equal 10. Step 3, let C equal A plus B. And step 4, print C. And step 5, end. That is to terminate the program. Why do we have end in the program? It's very simple, friend. It's because, like human being, after you work for the day, you need to rest. So the computer cannot run forever. So you need to turn it off. That is why we have end in the program. Alright friends, that is what we have for today. I believe you enjoy the class. Okay, in summary of everything we learned today, we look at programming steps. We said programming steps are step-by-step method a programmer follows to write instruction for the computer or to write a computer program. Now we state the reasons why we need programming steps, and one of the reasons is the world is in dire need of programmers, and maybe you are the next programmer we are looking for in the world, and we can use it for learning purpose like what we are doing now. Alright, and we state programming steps where we have 5. We said we have 1, problem definition, 2, problem analysis, 3, program design, 4, program coding, 5, program testing. Alright, and the last thing that we look at today is we look at a simple program where we write a program to add two numbers. I believe you enjoyed the class. Thank you. If you have any question, I will be waiting online to answer the question. Thank you.